Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to take out your stock fuel door and replace it with this beautiful custom designed Mustang fuel door. And this process is completely easy, anybody could do it. The installation process should take no more than 15 to 20 minutes. As you can see, the Mustang logo is awesome and it has a plastic protection that you could take out prior to installation. So if you don't know the original fuel cap on the Mustangs, it's pretty much a clip-on. So you take off the old one and it should easily clip on in here. The size of the fuel cap all around is about 6.7 to 7 inches wide all around. The Mustang logo is about 5.5 inches. Prior installation, you're going to need panel clip removal to remove the original fuel cap. You can get this tool at your local auto store or Walmart. Costs vary from $6 to $10, depends on where you go. Advanced Auto Part also, they sell it there. So you want to use the tool to kind of lift the inside locking the vise here, gently lift it up, and then the original fuel cap should slide out easily. So as you can see, this is the original from the Mustangs, and this is the new one that I'm going to install, make it more fancy looking. Essentially they're the same size. The new fuel door should look the same as the stock one, and on the back there's 4-point that should also look similar. So the 4-point that you want to make sure that it's inserted properly is this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So make sure that it's inserted properly, and the middle part should just snap in to lock it for sure. So this part is a bit tricky because you want that 4-point to insert it properly, and you don't want any loose on all those points, and you want to make sure that the middle part snap properly as well. So how do you know if you install properly? You want to make sure the first two right here inserted properly. The way you know you insert properly is if you move this part, if it doesn't wiggle, that means that you inserted properly the first two that you inserted, and then the back part should move. And I don't know if you can see, but this part right here should insert it all the way in, and you can just wiggle it, and you know that it's pretty solid. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please click the like button, and if you want to support my channel, please check out this awesome Mustang keychain. I'll put the link in the description below, and as always, thanks for watching. Cheers.